Julius Caesar Concepcion Babao, born July 15, 1968, is a Filipino broadcast journalist, radio commentator, and former talk show host for the Philippine television stations ABS-CBN and TV5. He is most notable for anchoring TV Patrol from 2003 to 2010, Bandila from 2010 to 2020, and currently Frontline Pilipinas since 2022. Babao started out his career as a production assistant in GMA Network's DZBBM in 1990. Through hard work and perseverance, Babao was soon promoted as a radio reporter and a contributor for GMA News. In 1993, Babao left GMA for ABS-CBN, where he worked as a television reporter for TV Patrol. That same year, he was tapped by the management of ABS-CBN News to be a standby anchor for Frankie Evangelista in TV Patrol. In 1996, Babao was given his own show Alas Cinco y Media, which he hosted with his future wife Christine Bersalababo until 2001. The couple then went on to host a daily morning talk show called Talk TV, which lasted from 2001 to 2002. In April 2003, Babao transitioned into the weekday edition of the station's flagship news program TV Patrol and joined Karina Sanchez as its anchors. Sanchez was later replaced by Karen Davila and Ted Phelan in November 2004, when the newscast was relaunched as TV Patrol World. Babao left ABS-CBN on December 31, 2021 after 28 years with television giant network, as part of its retrenchment program caused by the ABS-CBN shutdown from the Philippine Congress that junked the new ABS-CBN legislative franchise to operate. He made his final appearance on TV Patrol as a relief anchor and 2 days later on Teleradio Balita. In January 2022, Babao joined TV5 to anchor the network's primetime newscast Frontline Pilipinas starting February 7, 2022, replacing then senatorial candidate Raffy Tulfo. On March 21, 2022, Julius and Tintin, Para Sa Pamilyang Pilipino, which he hosts alongside his wife, debuted on Radio 5 92.3 News FM and 1PH. On September 22, 2024, his program, Julius Babao Unplugged, debuted on television via TV5. Alleged terrorist link. In October 2005, news surfaced where Julius Babao was allegedly linked to a suspected terrorist named Tyrone Del Rosario Santos, alias Dod Santos. Columnist Raymond Tulfo's column in the Philippine Daily Inquirer brought the matter to public attention, quoting President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo as saying military intelligence pointed to Babao posting bail for Dodd. While Babao and his then-employer ABS-CBN denied the accusation, Tulfo later corrected his column to say Babao only acted as a guarantor for Dodd's bail bond, an act the author of the document believed was no different from posting bail. This created a conflict of credibility between Babao and Tulfo. Discaya interview. Babao became controversial for his September 2024 interview with Curly and Sarah Discaya, who described their family's rags to riches stories on Julius Babao Unplugged. The couple were later implicated in the anomalous ghost flood control projects, raising questions on journalism ethics. Pasig Mayor Vikas Sato, Discaya's 2025 election rival, claimed that Babao and another interviewer, Karina Sanchez, were paid Philippine peso 10 million for the feature. Both journalists denied his allegation. Babao also underscored that his interview with the Discaya couple are not a news report, that a lifestyle feature and politics was not raised at the time during the feature's production. He later went on leave from Frontline Pilipinas beginning on August 25, 2025. Babao is a graduate of mass communications, majoring in film and audio-visual communication from the University of the Philippines, Diliman. He is married to his former co-host Christine Bursula. They have a daughter named Antonia Julia Sofia and a son named Antonio Francesco. Julius and Christine are also avid art collectors, where their collection was mostly bought from the Boston gallery owned by Dr. Jovan Quanem. In July 2008, at the advent of Julius' 40th birthday, the couple auctioned off paintings from 125 participating artists at the Pinto Art Gallery. The proceeds went to the development of the Art 40 Village located in Bagong Siling, Caloocan. He is also a hypebeast item collector, streetwear collector, particularly those made by the brand Supreme, as well as a sneakerhead, and he even has a YouTube channel dedicated to such lifestyle. Julius Babao was awarded Best Male Newscaster in the 2008 PMPC Star Awards for TV. He also won again in 2009 from the same award-giving body. He also won Best Morning Show Host in the years 1999 and 2000 respectively from the same award-giving body. In 2008, Babao was also presented the Student's Choice of Male News and Public Affairs host at the US TV Student's Choice Awards, and he was also honored as one of the most admired male TV personalities for the 2008 ONAC TV Seal. He was also at the time awardee of Most Outstanding Male News Presenter 2007 and 2009 of ComGuild Center for Journalism. Julius Babao seems to have reevaluated his relationship with some of his friends as the recent controversy involving the broadcaster apparently revealed the real ones. Babao earlier made headlines after his 2024 interview vlog with couple Curly and Sarah Discaya, whose companies were among the top contractors involved in questionable flood control projects in the country, resurfaced on social media. This interview was then featured in a post by Pasig City Mayor Vico Sato, in which he called out journalists who allegedly agree to interview controversial personalities in exchange for fees as high as P10 million. Days after this, Babao, who denied the mayor's claim, took to his Instagram page on Monday, August 25th to address his true friends. He shared a quote from American columnist Walter Winchell that read, "A real friend is one who walks in when the rest of the world walks out." In the caption, Babao wrote, "Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal at paganawa NGMga tunay na kaibigan. Hangay analam ko na king si no KL. God bless you all." In succeeding posts, Babao expressed his gratitude as well to those who put out opinion pieces that came to his defense. The broadcaster, in a separate post, also shared a clip from a 2024 interview he had with Jano Gibbs and Stanley Chi. During the interview, Babao underscored that while many have tried to bribe him, he never accepted any of them. The P10 million accusation is super fake news. People in the industry know me as one who can never be bribed by anyone in exchange for favors or for a story, he stressed in the caption. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.